Hi everybody, this is an extended introduction to Lab and Resource Scheduler, which is online software that Newcomer Academy will be using to schedule time in the library, in the computer lab, in the studio makerspace, and for all other public areas that can be scheduled at Newcomer Academy. Simply type Lab and Resource Scheduler into your search engine, hit enter. It'll take you to the website. I would recommend putting the website as a bookmark tab for your easy access. When you log in to Lab and Resource Scheduler, you'll see over here is the login window. It'll be your first and last name typed as one word. And everyone's default password is Newcomer. And you are welcome to change this password after logging into the system. In order to schedule a resource, simply go to Resources. I'm going to use Library Checkout Books as an example today. I'm going to view the calendar. There are different ways to view the resource. This is the 5-day window, which I prefer because it shows 15-minute increments Monday through Friday. The week extends that to Saturday and Sunday, which is not really useful for our purposes. You can also change to a monthly view if you want to navigate around a little more quickly. I'm going to go back to the 5-day window. Go to next week. To schedule library checkout time, I can simply click on the 15-minute increment, or if I know I'll need longer than 15 minutes, I can also click on a block and I can drag down and lift up my mouse when I've reached the ending of the time that I'd like to schedule. Go to underneath the scheduling window, and in your notes, go ahead and indicate the purpose for checking out the resource at that time. And for book checkout, you will see a window concerning the number of seats. This is to help control the number of students or classes that might be in the library at one time. And here I might just indicate how many students will be coming in for book checkout. You will not always have to indicate the number of seats that you need. You will need it for checking out books. You'll need it for scheduling the computers in the library and also scheduling the computers in the computer lab. But otherwise, you will simply be booking a space. I'm going to click Save. And as you can see here, I've scheduled those times. Now, if I decide later that I would like to delete these times, I can simply double-click that block. It highlights in red, and I do have to go down and click Save in order for that scheduled time to be deleted. I'm going to delete this one as well. You see there's also a drop-down menu if you prefer that. But I double-clicked it. It's red. I'm going to click Save. And now I know that that scheduled time has gone away. One other thing I wanted to show you is if you go up to the Advanced tab, if you know that you want to check out books on a regular basis, let's say you want to come in every Monday, first, second, and fourth periods. You can actually use this as a way to schedule those times all at once. I could simply type in the dates here, the first Monday perhaps that I want to come in, and then here indicate the week that I want the scheduling period to end. Here I can highlight what days I would like to come in. And then here I can indicate a start time and an ending time. And I'm just going to use this as an example. Let's say 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock on Mondays. Let's say I'd like to go all the way out through December 17th. Actually, I'm going to choose Wednesdays as I know that one is likely more available. Click Schedule Resource. Now you see that that time is highlighted in green. I will still need to come down here I will still need to, in my notes, indicate the purpose of the checkout, and if necessary, I'll indicate the number of seats that I would like. And then I would click Save, and that will populate during that same time period for every window as far out as all the dates that you have indicated. I'm not going to save that now because that would be a lot for me to delete. But I just wanted to show you that feature as well if you wanted to schedule a lot of consistent slots at the same time. But here I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that. Please see me if you have any questions. Thank you.